Hello guys, how are you? I believe that you are really excited about the content so far, and in this video I'm going to discuss a kind of strategy for the very beginning, right? So I want you to have a good starter, good knowledge for a start, and I don't want you to waste a lot of time experimenting with different kinds of bugs. So I want to help you to build a mindset of bug hunter, what really works and what doesn't work. So if you've got this kind of overview understanding, if you build up a kind of strategy at the very beginning, that strategy that has proven to be successful for me in the recent years, then you can really increase your chances of finding the good bugs and getting paid at the very end. So let's continue. Your question might be like this: how shall I actually start hacking and making money at HackerOne? It sounds cool, but I don't know how to start with. How shall I think about, different bugs? I need to focus on something. Tell me what this something is. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you exactly. That's why I've got this video. So I recommend you to focus on medium and high impact bugs. And the rationale behind this is like this: the more severe bug you will find, the more money you will get at the very end. So this is a very basic relationship. And that's it, right? So companies are interested in high impact bugs, and you, bug hunter, ethical hacker, you should also be interested in something like this, because it actually means that you can earn more money. Okay, the next point. So let's build your mindset, the bug hunter's mindset. At the very beginning, when you start your journey, when you are a beginner in this platform, I really recommend you to focus on the bugs that you can find quickly. So when you are a beginner, you don't know what works, what doesn't work. You've got some assumptions, but I know from my experience that there are different companies. Some companies respond quickly, some companies respond very slowly. So I can find a great bug, I will submit this bug, and the company is going to respond after 6 months, or the company is not going to respond at all. And this is a problem for me, because I invested a lot of time, a lot of energy, and they are not responding. If they are not responding, well, I will not receive my reward, right? So this is it. I want to emphasize this. Try to submit a couple of bugs that you can find quickly and see how the company is going to respond. If they are responding quickly, then carry on hacking, cooperate with them, right? So this is it. This is, related to the return on investment. You can invest a lot of time, and if the company is not going to respond, well, your time has been wasted. So you have to really think about this. Think about the return on investment. You have to really increase your likelihood, of having a good return on investment. This is how it works, and I believe that this is clear for you. Another recommendation is try to focus on the bugs that not everyone else is looking for. This is a kind of, let's say, competitive platform. There are over 100,000 hackers at HackerOne, and only the first reporter of a given vulnerability can get a payment, can get a reward. So you have to be the first one to submit a bug. And now, this is also a strategic decision. If you are going to find the classical bugs, so, the bugs that everyone else is looking for, then you increase the likelihood of finding the same bug as another bug hunter, and it will be a duplicate, and you will not get any reward, right, at the end. So again, try to find your own niche. And well, this course is going to give you this niche, because this niche is the list of 5 bugs, non-standard bugs, but these bugs have proven to be successful. I mean, companies accept these bugs, and I've received numerous rewards for these bugs. So yeah, this is the additional value of this course. I'm going to show you a niche for you that really works. And now I believe that you understand that you have to be a bit faster, you have to be smarter and stuff like this, right? Because there are many people who are hunting for bugs. Okay, and the next point is you have to focus on the bugs that are accepted by many companies. Well, this is the prerequisite. If you want to get a payment, well, it has to be accepted. And at the very beginning, you also don't know what kind of bug may be accepted or may not be accepted by a company. And that's again the reason why I created this course. That's the reason why I'm discussing this stuff, because I want to help you to hack and get money for your findings. And I want to increase your likelihood of receiving a payment at the very end. So that's why I discuss it, because it's very nice if you can help other companies to improve their security, but it's also very nice when you can get your rewards at the very end. So this is it. Now we can start with our 5 bugs that have proven to be successful. I mean, these bugs have been accepted by many companies, and I know from my experience that it really works. So we are done with this video, but I believe that this video is really important. This is about building a mindset. This is about a kind of strategy. If you think in this way at the very beginning, you will be successful. I do believe in this because I have been successful in the recent years. And if I wasn't successful, then I wouldn't create this course for you. So I really wish you good luck. And now in the next modules, I'm going to dive into these 5 bugs. So the 5 bugs you can start with. I very briefly introduced these bugs already in this course in the introduction, so you've got a kind of understanding. But now every single video, every single module will be related to kind of technical overview, so that you got a feeling of a given vulnerability, of a given bug, and then a demo, a necessary part of the course, because when you practice, when you see something, then you can just do the same steps in other programs, and this is it. You need practical knowledge. So without further delay, let me jump to these bugs, to the technical part of this course, and I hope you will have a lot of fun and you will learn a lot. So see you in the next video.